my name is Liana Moore, excuse the mess. Today we are going to be going over mistakes that I made as a small YouTuber. So the very first mistake I made as a small YouTuber was not niching down. So everyone knows that you have to niche down on YouTube. What that means is, are you going to do a channel about cars? Are you going to do a food channel? Are you going to do a music channel? Are you going to do a travel channel? Like, what is your channel about? So my content was all over the map. I was doing political videos, I was doing travel videos, I was doing music videos. I was doing kids content.
And social distance is important. That's why Trashy's all by himself in the library. So nobody can mess with Trashy. Trashy don't want no disease. Can't put baby in a corner.
I was literally doing everything, and so what would happen is somebody who would join my channel for a music video would unsubscribe to my channel because I said something politically on another video that they did not like, or somebody who came to my channel for a kids content video would unsubscribe because they would see something, again, usually on political commentary, that they didn't like. So because I had this mix-up of content, I was gaining subscribers, I was losing subscribers, I was gaining subscribers, I was losing subscribers, which brings me to my second tip. You have to know what your brand is about. You have to know what you're trying to do on YouTube. And if you don't, it's okay. It's okay to spend a season messing around with YouTube, trying to figure out what you want to do. To be honest, right now I'm thinking I need to just niche down to the arts and do a music and artistic channel. But at the same time, I really don't like the idea of branding, and I really don't like the idea of niching down, because as an independent creator, I want to be able to create what I want to create.
So I had to try it. I had to eat dog. The most important step to cooking a dog is killing it. You will want to kill the dog before you remove its fur and throw it into boiling hot water. If you do not kill the dog, it might run away.
But if you want to blow up, if you want to take YouTube seriously, then you have to treat it like a business. So that's what I mean by branding. The second mistake I made was not treating YouTube like a business. You have to treat it like a business, which means you should look professional, and you should present professional, and you should have good content on your channel, and you should know what you're about. Not anything is gonna be good for business, so you got to think about that. If you're doing a kids channel, because I've done some Black Lives Matter content, so you got to think about that. If your business goals are to appeal to 5-year-olds, and it's probably not a good idea to have Black Lives Matter content right next to that,
Stupid, violent, getting girls pregnant, disrespecting women. Hip-hop music is about intelligence, the struggle, keeping it real. And keeping it real, you should respect women. Keeping it real, you should respect your mother. Keeping it real, you should respect yourself. Keeping it real, violence isn't the answer.
So these are obvious reasons why I'm struggling as a small YouTuber, is because I'm not niching down, and I'm basically putting PG content next to sorted rated R content, which is an awful business decision. So the second mistake I made was not treating my YouTube channel like a business. So if you really want to grow your YouTube channel, you have to treat it like a business. You absolutely have to treat it like a business. Now, so the third mistake I made was not scripting my content, not really having a plan for my content. I often just shoot off at the mouth, and I discuss whatever I want.
What is the number one reason people claim they don't exercise? I don't have the time. I'm at work all day. I work 12-hour days. Then I drive in my car 2 hours. Then I get home to my nagging wife.
Makes the content all over over the place, which is what I've sort of been saying from the beginning with niching down, like this chaotic content that is all over the map is not working. Like
you need to narrow your focus, and like, so scripting your video is going to, you know, it's going to organize your video, it's going to organize your thoughts, it's going to make it a lot easier for you to deliver the content when you're recording and filming. It's going to be more efficient, it's going to save you time, and it's going to be a lot easier for your viewers at home to follow. So it is not a bad idea to sit down with pen and paper and script your content. You know, actually, I'm going to show you what I did. And I was going to start using this like to outline what my channel was going to be about, but I realized that on the camera it reverses things, like it reverses the words. So you see, it makes everything backwards, and I have not mastered the art of writing backwards, and that's annoying. It's annoying that every time I want to use this chalkboard or write anything, that I have to write backwards. Like, what is that about? You know, like, so like I was trying to be professional, okay? I was trying to get this chalkboard in, and I was trying to get this chalkboard to you guys, and start scripting my content. Okay, so that's the third mistake I made, is that I just have very spontaneous rants, which sometimes work, but mostly I think you should have some idea where you're going with your video. Now I can get rid of this board. Anyway, so what else did I do wrong? See, like, I gotta think. What else did I do wrong? Gotta think. Let me get my melancholy on. Sit like this. Oh, I look cute in this angle. Okay, so the fourth thing I did wrong. I just look cute, right? I look cute. I look cute at this angle. So the fourth thing I did wrong as a small YouTuber is, I didn't look my best. The fourth thing I did wrong as a small YouTuber is I did not look my best. Obviously, when you're getting on video, they say stuff like, you always look your worst in front of the camera. The camera adds 10 pounds. The camera magnifies your flaws. And then, not to mention, we live in the age of internet trolls. So, like, you really don't want to shoot your YouTube videos looking like you just woke up. And I have definitely done that. I've definitely shot a YouTube video looking like I've just woke up. I have to look like you're going to prom. You know, you don't have to dress up in a three-piece suit and put on a tie. But if you notice that, especially with female YouTubers, a lot of them definitely do their makeup. And like, yeah, you want to look presentable. You want to look good. Like, you know, so like, you know, before you turn on your camera, wash your face, brush your teeth, put on a decent outfit. Like, yeah, obviously no one's saying dress for prom, but make sure you pay a little bit of attention to your looks. That makes a lot of sense, right? Then pay a little bit of attention to your looks, just a little bit, and that will go a long way. Mistake 5.
what was the fifth mistake I made as a YouTuber?
What was the fifth mistake I made as a YouTuber? Oh, the fifth mistake I made as a YouTuber was not delivering quality content. Now, like, don't get me wrong, like, I feel like some of my videos were actually really good. Like, but in comparison to what other YouTubers are doing, they were still kind of amateur. They're still kind of very novice, because, like, you know, I've watched more YouTube videos recently, and I've noticed that, like, a lot of YouTube channels it's almost like shooting an episode. Like, you really feel like, not that it's like a show that would be on the TV, but maybe it would be like one of those late night shows, like one of those, you know, those shows that come on at 3 p.m. in the morning or something. Or, you know, like they definitely have like this feeling about them that keeps you coming back for more, because it does feel kind of very much professional, like a professional show.
A lot of crazy stuff happened in 2020, coronavirus, floods, and protests all over the world, but perhaps the most noteworthy moment in 2020 happened May 6, 2020, when PewdiePie uploaded a video to announce to the world he hit the 10-year mark on YouTube.
Like, even though like the genre of the show is, instead of it being like drama or crime or comedy, is YouTube. It's a YouTube show, and like, and people perform them and put them on, and they put on these great YouTube shows that sometimes get 3 million or more views. You know, like, so it's amazing. It's amazingly a phenomenal thing.